What's going on, everyone? So here we are, Taco Truck Part 2, Taco Truck Project Part 2. I'll read through the instructions and help you out if there's any particular problems that we may have issues with. So here it is. Part 2, select your food truck and simple interests. Compare the food truck below, decide which one you want to purchase for your new business. Be ready to explain why you made your choice. So there's 3 different options: food truck 1, food truck 2, and food truck 3. So you're going to go through the description, take a look at the prices, and at the bottom, you're going to decide which food truck do you want to buy and why. Okay, again, it can be done on loose leaf if need be, copy paper. If you could print this out, you can print this out, whatever you need to do. All right, then, once you've chosen, it says, congratulations on the purchase of your new food truck. You're considering 3 different credit options shown below. Using your knowledge of simple interest, decide which choice is the best option for you and explain why. Be sure to use the cost of the food truck that you decided on in part 2. Okay, so there's option 1, which is a 4-year loan at 6% simple interest. Option 2, 5-year loan at 5.5% simple interest. And option 3, 10-year loan at 4% simple interest. All right, we're going to ask for these 3 amounts: the total amount paid, the interest paid, and the monthly payment. So to help you out with that, I'm going to go through one of these options here. So let's say, for example, I'm choosing the food truck number 3, which costs $25,000. All right, I'll just go through option 1, but you're going to make sure you go through all 3 options. So I'm just going to go through option 1 here. All right, so we want to find the simple interest for our option 1, and here's what I'm going to do. So remember, simple interest is used with the formula that our interest is equal to our principal times our rate times our time, times the time. Okay, so I'm going to list out everything here. Our principal, our interest, our rate, and the time, just to make my life easier. All right, so the principal is going to be the amount that you are borrowing. So I'm purchasing the $25,000 truck, so I'm going to borrow $25,000. The interest, I don't know it yet. My rate is 6%, but I know that that's going to be 0.06. Finally, my time I know is going to be 4 years, so that's my 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to find out what is the interest that we are paying. So my interest is equal to my principal times my rate times my time. Okay, do my calculation real quick. Times 0.06 times 4 is 6,000. So my interest is going to be $6,000. Okay, so therefore my total amount paid is going to be my principal plus my interest. So the total amount that I'm going to pay for this loan at the end of it all is going to be $31,000. And my monthly payment, so my monthly payment is, well, how many months am I paying the loan off for? Well, it says 4 years. But how many months are there in 4 years? 48 months. So I'm going to take that 31,000 and divide it by 48. 31,000 divided by 48 is going to be $645.83, rounded to the nearest hundredth. And that's what we should be rounding to, nearest hundredth, because we're talking about money. So the monthly payment is approximately going to be $645.83. All right, and there you go. You're going to do that for all 3 options, and then at the bottom, I believe you're going to explain which one you are choosing and what your rationale is. Why do you think that's the best choice for you? Okay. Any questions? Always be sure, message me on Jupiter. Good luck. Do your best.